Hey guys, for this video we're going to install these BeamTech LED fog light bulbs on my Jeep. They were nice enough to send me these for free so I can make this video showing them to you. Now we need to do a little before and after comparison so that you can see what the stock bulbs look like compared to these BeamTech, and then I'll show you how easy it is to swap out the fog light bulbs. So first things first, you need to see what the stock bulbs look like at night. Here's a night view of the stock fog lights for the Jeep Gladiator. That's just the fog lights on right now. Now let me show you fog lights in conjunction with the headlights. Now those are already swapped out BeamTech LED headlight bulbs in there, but that's what it looks like currently. And once we get these switched out, we'll do a little after so you can see what the BeamTech LED fog lights look like. Now I'm going to show you a few clips from a previous video I did swapping out the front bumper, so if you have a Jeep as well, this may be helpful. First thing you're going to have to do is remove 4 bolts for this skid plate at the bottom. Depending on your model, it may just be plastic, but that has to be removed first. Now here I have the bumper completely off. You do not have to take the bumper off, but it is easier to show you this way. Around the perimeter of this plastic cover there are these little plastic pins. You got to pull the middle out first, and then the outer portion will come out and release it. Take out all of those and you access the fog lights. From there you can just unplug them, take out the bulb, and install the new BeamTech bulbs. Getting these bulbs replaced, once you get to them, it's pretty easy. You can see it just has these little tabs on top and bottom. You give them a pinch and pull it straight out. And it's as simple as that. For the plug, it's the same style. There's just a little tab on the top and you squeeze it and pull it straight out. So pretty straightforward at that point. The first BeamTech I put in, I was having a hard time getting it to latch, pushing it in hard enough to actually grab the little prongs, but the second one just dropped right into place and was perfectly fine. So I don't know what the deal was with that, but we'll get them plugged in and test it out. Both BeamTechs in, ready to go. We'll turn it on just to make sure it works, then we'll come back out at night to do our little comparison. Fog light's working. When it gets dark, I'll show you a little before and after. Here we are with just the BeamTech fog lights. No headlights on right now, just the BeamTech. And we'll turn the headlights on to go with them. Fog lights off, fog lights on. Now my Jeep's set up that the fog lights stay on with the high beam, so I can show you what that looks like. Fog lights off, fog lights on. And back to just the fog lights. So personally, I'm a big fan of the LED lights. I think they look a lot better than the stock lights. But there it is. Thanks for watching.